Hi, it's Kathy from Kathy's Happy Home, and today we're going to continue on with my decluttering of the refrigerator. This is part 2, so if you haven't seen part 1, please go back and watch that. Today we're going to work on the shelves. And I did this pretty recently, so I don't think there's a lot to be done, but let's try it. Let's start with the top shelf. For some reason, this always seems to be the easiest, and things don't get shoved here as much as they do on the bottom shelves. Well, this was a little worse than I thought. Let me move some things here. We have apple butter. It should go with the others, but there isn't room, so I guess I'll go back on the top shelf. Here's some peach preserves. But there's like almost nothing left. So that's going to go out. More mustard. A lot of these really should go on in the door, but I don't have room. And there's peanut butter. It's almost empty. I'm sure that will get used up this week. Joe loves 3-bean salad, so there's that. We have relish. That also should go in the door. I'm going to see if I can find room for some of this stuff. No sugar ketchup. Leftover spaghetti, but it's been in there a couple weeks and I don't really trust it. I hate to throw all the spaghetti out, but better than getting sick. Grape jelly. And there's not much in it, but there's enough. I found bread crust. So I guess it's time for me to make some bread pudding with my leftover bread crust. Another 3-bean salad. This is about half done, but that's okay. A bagel. One last bagel. So that'll get used up this week. Some sugar-free peach preserves. Joe is diabetic, so a lot of this is his. Low sugar Concord grape jelly. And here's some lemon juice. And a big thing of lemon juice. Didn't know I had both of those. Some salsa. Looks like just a little has been taken out of that. More 3-bean salad. I have to tell Joe it's in there. I'm not real fond of 3-bean salad, but he loves it. We have a bottle of sparkling cider. We drank this, about half of it, but because of the trouble I have with my stomach and my esophagus, it really, the bubbles did me in. So I have to tell Joe so he can finish it up. We have Miracle Whip. I'm going to see if there's room to put that in the door too, so that it goes with the other stuff. Milk, of course, we'll keep the milk. This picture here is iced tea, but it's been in there a while, so I'm going to throw that out, make it fresh. This is sugar-free blueberry preserves, but there's like nothing in it, so that's going out. And sugar-free syrup, and sugar-free syrup. Guess we're going to have pancakes soon. I cleaned the shelf with this Dawn Power Wash, and now I'm going to put the stuff back in. And here it is. I keep moving things around, and by the end, It won't look anything like it did when you saw it in the videos, but I will show you a picture of the whole thing at the end. Okay, we're going to go on to the second shelf now. Well, this was much worse than I thought. So let me go through it. Of course, some things are good, like the applesauce that I just bought. I bought some fried rice 2 days ago, so of course that's fine. This is my leftovers from Monday when we went out to eat. So of course that's good. So that's probably lunch. So many bread crusts. I'm going to have to really go through all of these, see what I can use and what I can't. And here's half a loaf of bread. Of course I'm going to use that. More bread. More bread. More bread. Well, let's see what we have besides bread. Cream cheese. And I'm pretty sure this is still good. Let me look. Yeah, it's fine. So, let me put all this together. I have applesauce. And I'll throw this out. But there's one peaches. This is tartar sauce that was left over from something that goes out. This is dipping sauce from Chinese dumplings. These are rotten beans. Ow. Some lettuce that I just bought, so that's still good. I can see these two are moldy, so they go out. But the chicken carcass from just a few days ago, we got rotisserie chicken, and I am going to make some chicken broth with it. In fact, I might even film that and show you how I do it. This is a rotten shelf, so let me clean up and put it back together. I have a bag here of bread for bread pudding, and I have a bag over on the stove of ones that were too hard for bread pudding, and that I'll throw out to the birds and the squirrels. And here's the second shelf. I put the bread for the bread pudding on the top shelf because there wasn't room. But I know I'm going to use it today or tomorrow. Alright, now on to the last shelf. Okay, I have eggs. And actually this just has one egg in it. And this is a whole dozen. Of course I'm keeping them. More bread. I don't know where all this bread is coming from. This is a zucchini that I just got yesterday. Hot dog buns. This is leftovers from last night. I made lemon chicken. Let me see if I can open it and show you. It's just chicken tenders. I breaded, fried, and put some lemon juice and parsley on. They're very, very good. But this, I don't know what it is. And I'm almost afraid to open it. Let's see. That was very old stew, and it's very much going out. This is my bacon, and I know it's good. I love this Tupperware container I got for my bacon many, many years ago. My girlfriend had a Tupperware party, and I bought it at that. Never regretted buying it. It's great. These are hot dog rolls, but they're hard as a rock, so getting rid of that. And this is my sandwich from 2-3 nights ago. We called out, and our local pizza place makes crab cake. I could not think of what it was called. Crab cake sandwiches that are so, so good. I couldn't eat the whole thing, so that's for lunch tomorrow. Alright, time to scrub out that bottom shelf and put these things back. And the last shelf is done. The 3 shelves of the refrigerator are finished. I have the dishwasher going, getting rid of all that mucky yuckness that was in there. And next time I'll be tackling the drawers and the freezer. So I hope you'll come back to see that. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate all of you. And I'll see you next time. Bye.